With Giftship, sell more with product upsells by dragging and dropping an upsell block right on your Shopify product page. Charge for gift wrapping, a premium gift message with a greeting card, or create a bespoke product bundle, all before a customer adds to cart. Let's walk through how it works. Product options appear directly above the Add to Cart button on a single product page. Within an option set, drag and drop an upsell block, then configure which items to upsell. Upsell blocks have multiple layout options to choose from. First, there's the Carousel layout. There's also Compact Carousel or Checkbox List. And the most common layout option is List. Configure the upsell as an add-on. When the customer adds the primary product to cart, it adds the upsell too as its own line item. Or configure it as a product bundle instead. Both have their advantages. Bundles make more sense if you're shipping to multiple addresses or bundling several items together, and they keep the cart organized. Upsells are also a great way to charge for gift wrapping or a premium gift message. Using Giftship's display rules, show or hide other blocks, like a gift message field or even a gallery of wrapping paper, based on whether the customer selects the upsell. We cover more Giftship use cases in other videos. For now, let's show you how to set up a product upsell block through Product Options, so you can start selling more. First, head to the Giftship dashboard and create a new product option set. We cover option sets in a dedicated video. Think of an option set as a blank canvas. Choose from 20 different blocks and counting, each fully customizable. Let's click Add Block and choose Upsell. Now that the block's been added, click on it to configure it. In the Product tab, click Select Products. Search for the products and variants and click Select. Next, move to the Format tab. In the Layout field, choose from one of 4 options: List, Carousel, Compact Carousel, or Checkbox List. The most important decision here is whether the product should be an add-on or a bundle. Bundled items appear grouped together in Cart and Checkout. On the final order, inventory for each item still gets subtracted separately, and the order breaks them out as separate line items, but grouped together so you know exactly how to fulfill them. Once you've decided your upsell type, head over to the Input tab. First, choose an input name. This is what appears on the order, though the customer never sees it. It's recommended you keep it lowercase and simple. Unlike a date picker, this one's less important since you won't need to reference it later. Add a label, placeholder text, and optional help text. You can even mark it as required. Selecting Allow Multiple lets customers choose more than one item. Uncheck it if you're selling something like a single gift message instead. And that's it. Configure an upsell as a simple add-on or bundle it together and start selling more with every order. Giftship. Everything your Shopify store needs for gifting. One app, one subscription.